Bro, seriously?
She naked me. Wait. You brought this prostitute to the house? And you came to test your lucky charm on the whole family? You failed. You failed. Ashawo, you failed.
Take it easy.
Take what easy? Take what easy? You want to marry this whore? And you hypnotize my son so that he will take your wasted body in. That will not work. Prostitute, that is what you are. Can't you say something as a man you are in the house? Say something.
Easy now.
Ashawo! Stop! Why are you covering her? Why are you covering her face? Idiot! Look at her! Whore! Nonsense! Take her away from here!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.